Now this might be the largest recipe box on the planet for all I know. I suppose if it gets much bigger than this, it's called a storage chest. Here's our standard best-selling bamboo recipe box for a sense of scale. This is some measuring spoons so you get an idea. And this is the enormous recipe box. We don't sell a lot of these because if you've got a collection this big, well, my hat's off to you. But if you do have a collection this big, this is perfect because you put some of our recipe card protectors in here. This does not come with any, and you can fill this thing up with probably 500 or so recipe cards. It's just insane. So you can do that way and that way. Now these are the 4x6 cards, and you'll know we also sell. These aren't as popular anymore because they're so small. But we still sell some 3x5 recipe cards, and they do fit over here. They can fit in this direction. Now they do sink down a bit, so maybe not ideal, but you can make them work there if you have some old a huge collection of old 3x5 cards. It's got a plexiglass lid. This is 100% made in America, so it's a nice sturdy box. When people order it, they love it because they know what they're getting into. If you have a huge collection, this is the recipe box for you. And this thing slides out in the middle too, by the way.